Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're checking in on our Hungarian peppers that we use to make paprika. Everything is looking good so far. They're putting on some good growth. Do have one that is looking a little sad, so might be some transplant shock or some nutrient deficiencies. But for the most part, we're looking pretty good, except for one. These two on the end here were planted out just 1 week before the rest. And this one is very stunted. It hasn't done anything. We have purple leaves on the marigold, and it is just struggling and hanging on barely. So planting your warm season crops at the right time are really important. Otherwise, you might have some growth issues. All the rest of them are looking good, and were planted 1 week later. But the one that was planted was still a little bit cold, is not doing too well. So we'll just leave it go and see how it grows over the next couple months. We'll give it some fish fertilizer and some chicken poo and see if it recovers at all or if that one's going to be a complete loss. But otherwise, we're looking pretty good. So stay tuned for round 2 of paprika in 2024. Last year we only grew 4 to 5 plants. This year we're pushing almost 20, along with our Marconi peppers that we're going to see how those grow. Here are the 3 Marconis. I think these are going to be fairly large peppers, so we'll see how they go. Thanks for joining us today, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and send us over any questions you have, and we'll do our best to answer. Have a good evening.